Are you struggling to get traffic to your website or links? Is your business in need of a wide audience reach, but you're on a tight budget? Then you've clicked on the right video. In the digital world, getting eyes on your content can feel like a Herculean task. Between battling the algorithm and the competition, it's easy to feel lost in the crowd. And let's not even get started on the cost of advertising. Many advertising platforms can feel like a luxury that only the big players can afford. But what if I told you there's a solution that's both cost-effective and efficient? Enter Coinpayu.com. This platform is a beacon of hope for those of us trying to get our content seen without breaking the bank. With just $1, you can get a whopping 1,000 impressions. Coinpayu.com is a platform that can solve these problems for you. Let's see how it works. Navigating Coinpayu.com is simple and user-friendly. Let's dive into the process. First things first, you need to create an account. Head over to Coinpayu.com. On the top right corner, you'll find a sign up button. Click on it and fill in the required details. It's as simple as ABC. Once you've signed up, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now you've got your account set up, it's time to deposit some funds. Remember, with as little as $1, you can get 1,000 impressions. Incredible, right? To deposit funds, navigate to your account dashboard. You'll find an option to add funds. Click on it and follow the prompts. You can add funds via various payment methods. Choose the one that's most convenient for you. With your account all set and funds ready, it's time to create your ad campaign. Navigate to the Create Ad option in your dashboard. Here, you'll be prompted to enter details about your ad. This includes the title, description, and the URL of the website or link you want to promote. Be sure to make your ad as appealing as possible to attract more clicks. Next up, setting your target audience. This is a critical step as it ensures your ad reaches the right people. Coinpayu.com offers various targeting options. You can target based on geographical location, interests, and more. Take your time to define your target audience precisely. Finally, it's time to launch your ad. Once you're satisfied with your ad and the target audience, hit the Launch Ad button. Your ad will be reviewed and approved within seconds. Yes, you heard it right, within seconds. And voila, your ad is up and running. It's that simple, but wait, there's more. Not only is Coinpayu.com user-friendly, but it's also packed with benefits that can give your advertising a boost. Imagine getting 1,000 impressions for your website, product, or link for just $1. That's right, just a single dollar. This is an incredible opportunity to increase your visibility and reach. And it's not just about affordability. The speed at which your ads get approved is impressive too. We're talking seconds, not hours or days. That means more time for your ads to do their job and less time waiting around. But perhaps the most compelling advantage of Coinpayu.com is its cost-effectiveness. It's one of the most affordable advertising platforms out there, making it a fantastic choice for website owners on a budget. With Coinpayu.com, you can reach a wide audience without breaking the bank. Isn't that amazing? So, to wrap things up, Coinpayu.com is not just another platform for advertising your website, webpage, link, or product. It's a revolution in the world of online advertising, offering you 1,000 impressions for merely $1. This is an unprecedented opportunity for you to reach a wider audience and expand your online presence without breaking the bank. The approval process for your ads is lightning fast, with your advertisement getting approved within seconds. No more waiting around for days on end. Your ad goes live the moment you want it to. Coinpayu.com sets itself apart in the world of online advertising with its affordability and efficiency. We encourage you to visit the platform and see the benefits for yourself. Coinpayu.com is a game changer in online advertising. Give it a try and take your advertising to the next level. Thank you for watching, and remember, your success is just a click away.